Access to health care is even more critical. News Channel 5's Matthew Torres takes us inside the new Project Rural Recovery.
And our goal is always to serve the underdog, if you will.
And soon, serving that goal will take Deborah Hillen deeper into some of the most underserved communities in Tennessee. Right now, her organization, Buffalo Valley, is transforming a bus into a clinic on wheels.
The waiting room inside this bus will look like a normal waiting room. It will have 2 exam rooms.
The mobile clinic is part of Project Rural Recovery, where the buses will serve 10 counties in the state with lack of medical resources or have no hospitals at all. Buffalo Valley will focus on each of these 5 Middle Tennessee counties once a week for at least 5 years.
And one of our focus is always making sure those in the rural counties have access to services.
One of the biggest things that we see in rural communities is transportation. You know, getting to the hospital could be an hour to 2-hour drive.
The state says the mobile clinics will be parked in common areas like parking lots. The teams will likely have to create relationships with local providers to address needs outside their scope.
So once we get a person into a mobile bus, then we'll be able to create those connections to other services that they may have not sought if it wasn't for us being there.
This project will not only meet primary care needs, but provide behavioral health care services as well. Mental health issues that may have gotten worse because of the pandemic.
And also been an underlying thing that people didn't realize. Now we've got a place where I can go and I can get both of them treated, almost like a one-stop shop.
The goal is to have the buses available by November. No insurance or money is required. Anyone can show up. Reporting in Nashville, Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Matthew. This project is so important because in the last few years, at least 12 rural hospitals have closed their doors. We've been tracking the rural health care crisis for 2 years now. You can watch our documentary, Emergency at the ER, right now online or through all the major streaming platforms.